turkey, oh so good, oh so good. Always on Thanksgiving, always on Thanksgiving. Yum, 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 yum. We eat corn, we eat corn, oh so good, oh so good. Always on Thanksgiving, always on Thanksgiving. Yum, 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 yum. We eat carrots, we eat carrots, oh so good, oh so good. Always on Thanksgiving, always on Thanksgiving. Yum, 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 yum. We eat cranberry, we eat cranberry, oh so good, oh so good. Always on Thanksgiving, always on Thanksgiving. Yum, 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 yum. We eat stuffing, we eat stuffing, oh so good, oh so good. Always on Thanksgiving, always on...
Man, I still can't believe Lily broke the vending machine last month. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to refix the student vending machine by using polygon logic. Yes! I refixed the student vending machine. Now it looks all nice and fixed.
Oh my god, the student vending machine is all fixed? Monster, are you the one who refixed the student vending machine?
Yes! Because Lily broke the student vending machine last month.
Monster, thank you so much refixing the student vending machine. Now it looks nice and fixed thanks to you. I will be calling your parents about this. You can go home now.
When Monster got home.
Monster, we just got off the phone from Mr. Rob and told us that you refixed the student vending machine, because we heard that Lily broke the student vending machine last month. We are so proud of you.
I agree with your mother, and for this, you are ungrounded forever.
You can hang out with Robot if you like.
Thank you so much, Mom, Dad, and Globitha. You are the best.